Check out this 2007 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front bucket seats, front reading lights, delay-off headlights, body side moldings, dual front impact airbags, heated front seats, front dual-zone AC, and compass. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.